Okay, so yesterday we learned about Pythagoras' theorem that the length of the short leg and the squared plus the length of the longer leg squared is equivalent to the hypotenuse length squared. And so basically that is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Using this triangle, which is also a Pythagorean triple, our base is 3, our height is 4, and our hypotenuse length is 5. So if we take 3 squared plus 4 squared, we get 5 squared. Is that true? Well, let's find out. 9 plus 16 equals 25. Yes, that checks. Now we're going to apply that to what's called a special right triangle. First one is a 45, 45, 90. Because we're going to take a square and cut it in half, means that our angles are going to measure 45 degrees. And of course we have our 90-degree angle here. All right. So in this one, our side lengths are 4. So we are going to have a squared plus b squared equals c squared. A is congruent to b. So 4 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared. 4 squared is 16 plus another 16 equals c squared. 16 plus 16 is 32. Square root of 2. All right, we need to take and find the simplified radicals. So 32 is 2 to the 5th power. Let's erase that just a little bit. Because we can take 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. So we're going to raise that 2 to the 5th power. Oops, let's click that again. To the 5th power is going to be c squared. And we're going to look for groups of 2. So we can say that that is 2 times 2, the radical of 5 equals c, or 4 square roots of 2 equals c. And if you put that in your calculator, you should get about approximately 5.66. So let's check really quickly. Okay, as you can see, it does come out to be about 5.65 or 5.67. Not very close. I mean, we want it to be as precise as possible, so that's why we leave it as a square root. So 4 square roots of 2 is approximately equal to this. Since we have special triangles, it means we have more than one, and the other one is a 30, 60, 90, which is a equilateral triangle that is bisected. So we've bisected this one, which the 3 sides are, oh, I didn't realize I did 6 and 6 and 6. Okay, so we're going to shrink this down a little bit, scooch it out of the way, and shrink it a little bit more. And we're going to go back to a squared plus b squared equals c squared. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay, our a is going to be our short side, so we're going to put in 3 squared plus our height. Well, that might be the thing that we're looking for, so we're going to put a question mark there. And our hypotenuse is 6 squared. So we're going to make this 9 plus question mark squared equals 36. All right, let's go ahead and subtract 9 from both sides. And that's going to give us our question mark squared is going to equal 27. Okay. All right. So we're going to do some, I need to move this just 1 second. Move. All right, and erase. Okay, so we're going to take our 27 and we're going to do a prime factorization, which that's the same thing as 3 cubed. And remember, we're looking for squareds. So if I take 3 cubed and I take the square root of it, I'm going to take this 2 and divide it into 3. That means we have 1 with a remainder of 1. That means 1 3 can come outside and 1 3 remains under. So 3 square root of 3 is equal to our 195b. Now, with this in just a minute once we get back done with this. If we go back to our equation, and you type in 2 squared 3, you should get approximately 5.2. I'm not going to go ahead and do that. You can verify that on your own. So why do we need to know about special triangles? Because we notice that there is going to be a pattern. Pattern is that if we know our short side, which is 3, and we're looking for our altitude, we take and subtract the square root of 3 to it. If we know our short side and we're finding the hypotenuse, we multiply it by 2. If we know the middle side, we know that whatever in the front of our radical is our short side, and we take that number and multiply by 2 and we get our hypotenuse. We know the hypotenuse, we divide it by 2 to get the short side, and then we subtract the square root of 3 to get the medium way, or to get the medium side. And that's the pattern with the 30, 60, 90. So 45, 45, 90, the pattern is, whatever your side length is, the hypotenuse will square root of 2 follows after that. So if you're getting the hypotenuse, just take the square root of 2 off, and you have your leg length.